The road is wet after the rain. The road is wet after the rain. He is cleaning his glasses. He is cleaning his glasses. We are celebrating a birthday. We are celebrating a birthday. She is learning to drive. She is learning to drive. They played in the park. They played in the park. My phone is fully charged. My phone is fully charged. They are waiting for the bus. They are waiting for the bus. He is wearing a white shirt. He is wearing a white shirt. She is brushing her hair. She is brushing her hair. The children are drawing pictures. The children are drawing pictures. Please keep the room tidy. Please keep the room tidy. We are watching the news. We are watching the news. Please sit beside me. Please sit beside me. I need a glass of water. I need a glass of water. We are talking quietly. We are talking quietly. My shoes are too small. My shoes are too small. He forgot his lunch box. He forgot his lunch box. The weather is cool today. The weather is cool today. He washed his face. He washed his face. They cleaned the garden. They cleaned the garden. I packed my lunch. I packed my lunch. The milk is fresh. The milk is fresh. My pillow is soft. My pillow is soft. She watered the flowers. She watered the flowers. We are almost ready. We are almost ready. I lost my ticket. I lost my ticket. The fan is too fast. The fan is too fast. I am in a hurry. I am in a hurry. The door is still open. The door is still open. We are enjoying the picnic. We are enjoying the picnic. The book is on the table. The book is on the table. Let's meet again tomorrow. Let's meet again tomorrow. Please lock the door. Please lock the door. They are crossing the road. They are crossing the road. We enjoyed the evening walk. We enjoyed the evening walk. I cleaned my room. I cleaned my room. She packed her bag. She packed her bag. He carried a heavy box. He carried a heavy box. The bell is ringing. The bell is ringing. My clothes are dry. My clothes are dry. Your tea is ready. Your tea is ready. The cake tastes delicious. The cake tastes delicious. Please show me the way. Please show me the way. The shop is closed. The shop is closed. I made a new friend. I made a new friend. He cleaned his shoes. He cleaned his shoes. She painted the wall. She painted the wall. We enjoyed the trip. We enjoyed the trip. We reached safely. We reached safely. Please stay here. Please stay here. This pen is mine. This pen is mine.